The most important document you will need is your passport. You should always take it with you, although if you're going to a bar, it's probably better to leave it in the hotel. If you have a smartphone, you should take a photo of your passport and keep it on your smartphone. In fact, you should take photos of all your important documents. A smartphone will also help you with translation if you have an emergency. There are many free translation apps that you can download and use offline. Many countries now require vaccination certificates, especially against COVID. You cannot enter the country without them. You can check the government travel advice online for the latest rules. There are two types of emergency: a medical emergency and a police emergency. For a medical emergency, you need travel insurance. With travel insurance, you can go to a doctor or a hospital without problems. If you do not have insurance, you will have to pay for any treatment yourself. This can be very, very expensive. You should buy travel insurance before you go on holiday. Many insurance companies offer special insurance for the USA, so you should check that you have the right insurance. This is very important. You should also have an emergency contact. This is a person that the hospital can call if you have an emergency. But this is not only for holidays. Even at home, you should have an emergency contact. If you have a police emergency, for example, if you are arrested, you should know the phone number of your embassy or consulate. They will be able to help you. You are also allowed to have a lawyer. And you do not have to speak to the police if your lawyer is not there. Check out the following exercises to learn some useful phrases for emergencies. And I hope you never need them. Now listen to the conversation and answer the questions.